I understand and clearly remember how overwhelming it becomes when you're just starting out in UX, especially when you're starting out with no experience, no certificate, and no degree. Honestly, I really wish I had this video when starting out, because I'm covering every single detail in just a couple of minutes. So now these are 7 ways to get started in UX design and product designing for free. Let's start. Watching YouTube tutorials. There are hundreds of designers that are doing YouTube videos, YouTube tutorials, day in the life and everything. But I have a couple of YouTubers that I recommend you should watch. Check out AJ Smart, Misco, and Flux Academy. Those guys are awesome. They help with tutorials and videos like that. But if you want to get deeper in the field, I'd advise you don't watch only tutorials. Also check out other YouTubers that do stuff like a day in the life of a UX designer, case study reviews and stuff like that. And lastly, I highly recommend you check out Awards YouTube channel. There awesome designers come to talk. Imagine it just like TED Talk for designers, mainly designers. Awesome, right? Number 2, learn a design tool. You watch a couple of YouTube videos, you've watched how to get started in UX designing, but now you're wondering what type of tools should you download? I can't say hundreds of tools out there, but there are a handful of tools out there that you can get started with. But I'll recommend you use the one and the only greatest tool ever, Figma. You can also check tools like XD, Sketch, but there are tons of tools out there. Just go online and search for design tools, you'll see a lot. But personally, I use Figma because it's lightweight and free and it has a community. Number 3, draw inspiration. Now, normally you can check websites like Dribbble and Behance because they have crazy art over there, crazy designs. But now we're looking at websites that have designs that are already companies. Now we'll check out Mobi.design, Lapa Ninja and Screenlane. Now those 3 are crazy, but Mobi.design is not actually free, so that's why I don't use it that much. It's not actually free. It is a free part and there's a paid part. And the free part is very limited. But looking at Lapa.ninja and Screenlane, those are free and crazy. Now we're just going to major in Screenlane. Now Screenlane has a part for mobile designs, web designs and user flows. It's crazy, right? So go over there, check out for inspiration. Now after we've checked out for inspiration, what are you supposed to do next? That leads us to number 4. Create a mock-up project. After you've gathered inspiration from all these websites and you don't know what to do with the inspirations you've gathered, you've learned the tool, you've gathered inspiration, now it's time to create a project. Now you can just take on small challenges like UX Tool or uxchallenge.com. There they give you challenges in UX designing. Learn the tool, gather inspiration and work on challenges. Now you have a solid foundation in UX designing. For the most important part, prepare your portfolio and your CV. You can check out bestfolios.com. There they have best portfolios, is in the name. So you just scroll down, look for inspiration to design yours. There are lots of ways to create your portfolio. Maybe I'll create another video on that. But in this video, just pause. Take it easy. Number 6, check out job boards and practice the requirements. For instance, part of the requirements states that you need to learn a specific tool, for instance, Figma. Go online and learn Figma. So you don't be following the job requirements like that until you pitch perfect. You get the memo, right? And so that leaves us with the last one, number 7. Have patience. Yeah, just wait. It's not immediately, nothing actually happens in a snap. So just wait. It might take some time. I'm still learning. Everyone is still learning. It's an endless race of learning. The time you stop learning is the time everything goes crashing down. So just keep on doing what you're doing. Watch this video again if you need to. Comment below what type of video I should do next. Until next time, good designing.